If you want to know how to use the CapCut boat template on TikTok, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the template, add it to your timeline, swap in your own photo or video, and get that trending boat effect ready to post. This is a super quick and easy edit, and once you learn it, you can make your own version in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut and TikTok editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and go to the menu on the left side. From there, click on Templates. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the trending effects and ready-made edits that people are using on TikTok. Once you're inside the Templates section, go to the search bar at the top and type in boat effect or boat meme. These are the terms that usually bring up the trending boat template you're looking for. After you search, look through the results until you find the boat template that matches the style you want. It may already show up as trending, so keep an eye out for the version with the most views or the most popular look. Once you find it, hover over the template and click the plus button, or simply drag it into your timeline. This adds the template to your project and gets everything ready for editing. Now it's time to swap out the placeholder media with your own clip. On the top left side, in the Media Asset panel, click the Import button. Then upload your personal photo or video from your device. This is the part that makes the template feel personalized because you'll be replacing the default content with your own face or clip. Next, click on the template in your timeline. You should see a slot labeled for the clip or a visible placeholder area where your media needs to go. Drag and drop your imported clip directly into that timeline slot. CapCut's Smart Engine will automatically process it for the template, and in many cases, it will remove the background and place you into the boat scene automatically. That's what makes this template so popular and so easy to use. If the fit doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry. You can usually tap or click the clip to adjust the framing, reposition yourself, or make sure your image is centered properly inside the boat. A small adjustment can make a big difference in how clean the final result looks. You want the subject to sit naturally in the template, so it looks smooth and ready for TikTok. Once your media is swapped in, take a moment to preview the edit. Play it back and make sure the effect looks the way you want. Check that your clip is placed correctly, the timing feels right, and the boat effect matches the trend you're trying to recreate. If everything looks good, you're ready to export and upload it to TikTok. That's it. Now you know how to use the CapCut boat template on TikTok and turn your own photo or video into a trending edit. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you want to make content that stands out. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.